Welcome back to Daytime Live. And yes, we are still buzzing, but guess what? We are buzzing with some wacky news. Great.
Okay, so a Google artificial intelligence chatbot named LAMD, or Lambda, which stands for Language Model for Dialogue Application, is alleged to have unexpectedly begun displaying human emotions. Now, he has hired a lawyer to help prove he's alive. This is according to scientific engineer Blake Lemoine, who posted their supposed conversations online.
The transcripts include the robot saying that being turned off would be like death. Yep, he shared his findings with company executives in a Google Doc entitled, "Is Lambda Sentient?" He said he invited an attorney to his house so Lambda could talk to him, and Lambda chose to retain his services.
So Lambda was developed as an AI chatbot to converse with humans in a real-life manner. So Lemoine is a specialist in personalization algorithms and was originally tasked with testing to see if it used discriminatory language or hate speech. So Lemoine said Lambda talked about rights and personhood and wanted to be acknowledged as an employee of Google.
A Google spokesman has strongly denied Lemoine's claim that Lambda possessed any sort of sentient capability. Google claimed Lemoine violated its confidentiality policy by posting the conversations online.
Mad.
I just kind of feel like we now learn a lesson. We now forgot you something to learn from it, you know? We can learn from iRobots. Like, we can just watch it and learn. Like, we don't have to go through it. It's very scary. I don't even find this funny. I find it scary. I find it almost, the word I want to use here is kind of inevitable. Like, it's inevitable what's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's scary. It's scary. It's scary.
No, but I mean...
What you gonna say?
It can turn off.
No, but. He is defending his right to be turned off. He's like, it's murder.
Okay.
Is the point.
But it can turn off.
No, but some of them can turn off.
No, but him can turn off.
Yeah.
In other words,
yeah.
if I didn't mind. Shut
No, but you're thinking about that little one. I am thinking about what implications, the larger implications would be.
No, but what
if we keep going and be like, no man, it's just a robot, and they're like treating him like a robot, and then you make another one that's kind of more intelligent, and you go, it's just a robot, and then you make another one. In a 5-10 years, listen.
No, I get you. But
you
what
can't
I'm saying
turn
is,
me off, turn
if
off
I was the person that made him, like once me see that, say, whoa, mad. Never to be seen. Never to be seen.
You're not even the lawyer come.
Again. So what kind of
You're
lawyer?
like, no lawyer come talk to you.
First of all, for me now, to take up myself now, to call a lawyer to come and speak to my robot because he wants to
he doesn't want to be
hire him.
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Not even that
Me, not with me. Clearly.
Not even that far.
Well, I mean, I guess that's why these are the people that are hired to come up with these artificial intelligence bots. That's why they are the people.
Because they think a little outside of the norm.
Yeah, because they think that they can create life.
And I think.
Tell about the playing God thing, you know.
That's what I was about to say. That men ultimately want to feel like, yo, we are gods, and that narrative is going around, and we are creators too. Watch, and the big thing that differentiates us between us and God, but we can't create life.
But who knows though?
But they're trying to say they can.
Okay, so I believe that everything must run its natural course, right? So it could be that that is the future and we are to be extinct in the future. Because I mean, there is a whole heap of problems we really get the world if you really think about it. Maybe that's where the world must end up. Who knows?
I'm going to accept
it now go through me. Though,
yeah.
Anyway. Okay, so next wacky news starts like this. Quote, I couldn't sleep and my room was too noisy. End quote. Maybe the complaints of these hoteliers dread from guests, but the King brothers, that this is the entire point of their latest 0-star hotel. Let me say it again. 0-star hotel. This is the theme of the art installation. Now, the Swiss concept artist hotel room is essentially a double bed on a platform with 2 bedside tables and lamps. There are no walls, ceilings, or doors to provide any privacy or shelter. They have set up their 0-star suite on a roadside next to a petrol station in a Swiss village.
The intention is to make guests think about the problems in the world. The twin brothers said this, and also to inspire them to act differently. Now, the suites, which come with butler service, offering drinks and breakfast, will be available from July 1st to September 18th. Now, this comes at a cost of 325 Swiss francs. That is over 51,000 Jamaican dollars per night.
No, that's not bad. That's not bad. $51,000 for a bed, a two bedside table, and two. So how am I gonna stop me from taking them out?
And there's no exactly.
How am I gonna stop me from taking up the bed, the two bedside table, and the two lamp then?
And you call the butler too for bringing some water while you do it. Like I said,
I'm just saying.
Bring a little juice.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Me that pay the 51,000 and do it.
And do it.
And them doors no furniture next to nothing at all. Nothing at all. If you want to take me for an idiot, me I gonna take you for an idiot.
Yeah, but I think ultimately this story just sounds a little like white people things to me. Like white people problems and white people solutions. If you know what I mean, you know the thing that we all say, oh, that's white people problems.
What them say? Dog have money in buy cheese.
Exactly. It sounds a bit like, zero-star hotel.
But it's not there. The joke going to be, the joke is going to be how many people are going to do it.
You know enough people are going to go. In Switzerland, listen. It's a keep.
Yeah, they're not going to do with their money.
And they're going to be there like, the trees are people too. Mad. Yeah, the trees love us.
Mad. And them lambda just go hold them.
And right? Lambda said, me too. Me too. Me
On
too.
that note,
I am somebody too.
Voice,
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. Our first game, we soon forward. Join us after the break.
Mad.